In 2012, researchers from the University of California conducted a study to investigate whether there is a connection between a cat's fur color and its personality and health. The results were intriguing. They found that there was indeed a correlation. This discovery was further supported by other studies and numerous observations from cat owners around the world. So, in this video, let's find out what a cat's fur color reveals about its personality and health. Number 1. Tuxedo cats. Tuxedo cats are known for their elegance and visual sophistication, appearing as though they are wearing a tuxedo or tail coat. In addition to their striking appearance, tuxedos are often described as cats with a balanced personality. They have a charming blend of independence and affection. While they enjoy moments of solitude and contemplation, they also value the company of their owners and enjoy affectionate interactions. They are quite intelligent, which can make them adept at learning tricks and even playing fetch like dogs. However, their calm nature may be misinterpreted as aloofness by some. But in reality, they are just selectively sociable, choosing to show affection when they feel comfortable and secure. Regarding health, fortunately, there is no correlation between tuxedo cats' coloration and diseases, but they have the same common predispositions like obesity and kidney issues as cats of other colors. Interestingly, Sylvester Cat from Looney Tunes seems to be a tuxedo. Number 2. White cats. One study observed that white cats tend to exhibit a higher level of independence compared to other colors. However, they were also often described as calmer and less prone to spontaneous attacks. Another study focused on the human-feline bond found that white cats, although independent, formed strong bonds with their caregivers, suggesting a depth of connection that may not be obvious at first glance. In fact, many white cat owners shared that their furry companions are often calm and somewhat aloof, but also very affectionate when they choose to be. There is also a common idea that all white cats are deaf. While it's true that a percentage of white cats, especially those with blue eyes, may have congenital deafness, this is not a rule. Interestingly, a study showed that if a white cat has 2 blue eyes, it is more likely to be deaf in both ears. If it has 1 blue eye, it may be deaf in the ear on the same side as the blue eye. However, cats with non-blue eyes are usually not affected by this type of deafness. Sun protection is vital for white cats due to their lack of pigmentation. They are more susceptible to sunburn, which can lead to more serious health problems if not treated. White cat owners need to be cautious about letting their white cats spend too much time in the sun, especially between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If a white cat loves to perch by the window, consider using UV protection films or ensuring shaded areas are available. Interestingly, white cats may also have a condition known as feline acne. However, this doesn't occur more with them. It's just that it appears to be more noticeable in them due to their light fur. Feline acne usually appears as small blackheads, typically under the chin or around the lips. Regular veterinary checkups and hygiene maintenance can help control this condition. Number 3. Black cats. Contrary to some beliefs, black cats are not less affectionate or friendly than cats of other colors. In fact, many black cat owners have observed that their black feline companions are incredibly affectionate and often seek human interaction. They have been described as lap cats who enjoy cuddling and spending quality time with their humans. From a scientific standpoint, the black color of fur results from a genetic trait known as melanism. This trait causes an increase in the amount of black pigment, giving the cat its dark fur. Now, here's what's intriguing. This melanistic gene may offer some protective benefits. A study found that black cats may have a reduced risk of contracting diseases like feline immunodeficiency virus, FIV, compared to cats of other fur colors. However, it's essential to understand that while this connection has been observed, it doesn't mean that black cats are immune to this disease. Additionally, black cats often have a reputation for being more resilient and adaptable. Although this may be subjective and based on individual experiences, it's interesting to consider the resilience that these cats have historically shown, the superstitions that have made them targets. However, despite their many qualities, there is a poignant fact to consider. According to a study, black cats are often the last to be adopted in shelters. In terms of behavior, while individual personalities vary, many black cat owners report that their furry companions are playful, curious, and have a certain charm that's hard to resist. They are also known to be quite vocal at times, expressing their needs and desires with a variety of meows and purrs. Number 4, tabby cats. Tabby cats are extremely common and have a variety of fur patterns, including stripes, spots, and even a combination of both. They are known for their diversity of personality, reflecting the diverse array of their fur patterns. Tabby cats can range from being reserved and observant, like the gray cats we'll talk about, to being playful and sociable, sharing characteristics with orange cats, which we'll also see. They are curious by nature and often enjoy exploring their environment and engaging in simulated hunting activities. Their serene and gentle disposition makes them wonderful pets for families as they tend to get along well with children and other pets. Their unique charm and adaptable personality make them popular in a variety of households around the world. Just like tuxedo cats, tabby cats do not have health problems related to their fur. Number 5. Orange cats. Also known as ginger or marmalade cats, orange cats have some unique characteristics. First, a bit about genetics. The orange color in cats is the result of the presence of the O gene, which leads to the production of a pigment called pheomelanin. Interestingly, this gene is linked to sex, and because of this, most orange cats are male. In fact, studies have found that about 80% of all orange cats are male, making orange females rare. Now, let's talk about personality. Many cat owners have observed that their orange cats are very outgoing and friendly. They often demonstrate a playful spirit and seem to get along well with both humans and pets. Some even describe them as dog-like in their loyalty and affection, always seeking interaction. Have you noticed the freckles that some orange cats have, especially on their noses and lips? This charming characteristic is more common in orange cats than in cats of other colors. These freckles are harmless and are called lentigo. They tend to increase with age, adding to the uniqueness of their appearance. Although orange cats are not specifically correlated with any health condition, a study found that they may be more susceptible to gingivitis and other dental problems. Therefore, it is crucial for their owners to keep an eye on their oral health. Number 6, gray cats. A study found that gray cats on average are less aggressive towards humans compared to cats of other colors. Gray cats tend to be calm. Many owners note that their gray cats are often gentle and somewhat reserved. This doesn't mean they're shy, but they may take some time to observe their environment before deciding to engage or play. Number 7, tortoiseshell cats. Tortoiseshell cats, affectionately called torties, exhibit a beautiful blend of black and orange tones. Interestingly, almost all tortoiseshell cats are females. This is due to how the genes for their fur colors work. Research shows that the behavior of tortoiseshell cats has provided some fascinating insights. One study indicated that torties, along with calico cats, which we'll talk about shortly, often exhibit more challenging behaviors than cats of other color patterns. It was noticed that they are more likely to hiss, chase, or swipe at humans and other animals. But it's crucial to remember that while these behaviors are more common in torties, they are not exclusive to them. They are known to have determined personalities and can be very possessive of their humans. But don't let that discourage you. These traits also make them incredibly loyal and affectionate to those they care about. Number 8, calico cats. Unlike tortoiseshell cats, which primarily mix black and orange, calico cats have 3 distinct colors: white, black, and orange. Like torties, the tricolor pattern of calico is linked to the X chromosome. And like tortoiseshell, most calico cats are females. Interestingly, a study on feline behavior linked certain behaviors, such as hissing, for example, being more frequently seen in calico cats and tortoiseshell cats. These cats were occasionally more prone to challenging behaviors, showing a bit more hot-headedness than their differently colored peers. However, many cat owners also mentioned how their calico cats are companionable and friendly, seeking affection and human warmth. They are often described as warm, sweet, and incredibly loyal to their human companions.